Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video tutorial I will show you how to change language on Dragon Quest VII Reimagined game. So for that, first launch Steam and after that select your game. Now right click on it, click on properties, and here under general you can see language option. It's already selected as English, so from here you can change the language to any other language. Just for example select German, and after selecting it restart your PC, and whatever the language you have selected, the language will be changed to particular that language. Now if you want to change back the language to English once again, then simply select the game and right click on it. Under general here you can see you have to select English option, and now restart your PC once, and once your PC restarts you will find the language on English as you have selected as before. So by this method you can easily change the language from English to any other language and revert back to English once again in Dragon Quest VII Reimagined game on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.